Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about vinegar. Now there's a whole bunch of different ways I can do this, but I'm just going to list a bunch of stuff and talk about some new vinegar I'm using as well. Now of course there's white wine vinegar, red wine vinegars for salad dressings and other recipes. There's apple cider vinegar, which is supposed to help your stomach and intestines and everything else and help you feel better. There is vinegar for pickling and canning, and there is a vinegar which I am using now, which I started using because of some videos I saw here on YouTube about weed control using vinegar. And I tried some of those and they were and on some plants they don't work at all, because the vinegar is only 5% vinegar or less, and it's not strong enough really to kill the weeds. What I found though, and what I'm using right now, is 45% vinegar. Yeah, 9 times as strong. And I tell you, this stuff works quick and good on killing weeds that you don't want around. And it's biodegradable. It's vinegar. I've used it. I've been using different strengths. I've used it straight in a pump sprayer. I've used it with 1 gallon of this to ½ gallon of water. I've done 1 to 1. I've done 1 gallon of this to 2 gallons of water. And it, depending on the weed, depends on the strength. You need to do it and to really get rid of it. What I found works really good, best is 1 gallon vinegar, ½ gallon water. It takes out the morning glory, takes out the star thistle, takes out the pigweed, takes out the Russian broom, which is a really invasive weed that was brought in because they thought it would make a good crop for cows and sheep to eat. So when using all the different type of weeds and stuff, I like this stuff at a really strong percentage of 1 gallon to ½ gallon water. It works great, and you don't get any of those glyphosates or whatever it gets called, or any other chemicals that last for years in the soil and get into your food. So think about vinegar for your weed control, for your canning, and for salad dressings. Figure out what you need to get and get it in stock. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, like how to make a good weed control vinegar, and grow more food. Grow fresh vegetables. What's in the store is sprayed with a lot of chemicals, and you don't want to have that.